Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily integrate Shopify and Xero for accurate accounting. So first, you may want to head over to a2xaccounting.com, and from the A2X website, hover your mouse on integrations, and we're going to select Shopify as channel and select Xero and Shopify. And from here, all you have to do is start by trying A2X for free, then select Shopify. You will then be prompted to sign up or log in to your A2X account. So in my case, I'm just going to sign up with Google, add in details, first name, last name, company name, phone number, what best describes your business, how did you hear about A2X. Of course, make sure that you accept privacy policy and terms and conditions, then proceed by clicking on accept and continue to your account. And from here, you will be redirected to your dashboard and start by naming your Shopify account, or you can also just skip this part. And from the dashboard, we're just going to start connecting our accounting software, which is, of course, Xero. Then click on Connect to Xero. You will then be prompted to log into your Xero account. So just enter in your email address and password, then log into your account. You will then be asked for access to grant access permissions. So you're just going to allow access. Then next, you're going to need to connect to Shopify and choose I have access, then click on connect. So double check that you have selected the correct Shopify store, then proceed with installation. So we're directed to the Shopify App Store, and the store we're currently here is correct. So we're just going to install or open this if you already installed the app. So the third step is setting up accounts and taxes. So just click on set up account and taxes. So just proceed. So from here, all you have to do is answer all the on-screen prompts, then click on next. Is the business tax registered? Next is which setup do you prefer? So in my case, I'm just going to use assisted setup and confirm and finish. And lastly, step 4 is post and reconcile. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!